What's up, kings and queens? It's Miss Diddy, also known as Tajay, and I am back with another video. And in this video, I will be doing a ombre green snake print nail. So I'm going in with my blooming gel from Beetles. I'm going to go in halfway up the nail. Then I'm going to go in with my green color. It's called Melon Madness. I got from iGel. And then I'm just going to place thin lines on the nail. I don't want to make them too thick when I place them down because they will spread anyway. So, yeah, that's about it. Just going with thin lines all the way down the middle, letting that spread for a little bit. By the time I get to the edge, I'm then going to make small lines on the side and then cure that for about 60 seconds. Sometimes I do 90 seconds just to make sure everything is cured, and that way I can go in with my next step. So now that everything is cured, I'm now going to go in with my Cover Pink color from Young Nails, and I'm going to ombre that. So right here, this was a pretty okay bead, but I do like my ombre to be more ombre, especially if I'm dealing with bright colors, because I don't like you to see all of the color under my nude. So the second bead was a little bit more wet, and then I'm just going to pull that down so that I can blend everything. Once that's dry, if it was a normal person or a real person, I would have gone in with some clear first and then did my nude, but I didn't want to waste too much product. So I let that all dry, and now I'm going to go in with my clear top coat, which I'm running out of. And then once I place an even layer of top coat, I'm then going to cure that. That my nail is cured, I have nothing else to do but take some beautiful pictures of it. I hope you all enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.